Welcome and welcome back to my channel Nakshi Katha by Tanya. Please do subscribe our channel so that you will get all our notification. Today I will show you some beautiful Nakshi Katha hand stitched sarees on pure silk, on pure tassar, and all sarees are Silk Mark certified. The first saree is a Ghicha tassar on Orissa Sambalpur saree. See the combination first. It has a beautiful combination with a lavender and a pink and a grey. This material is a purely handloom. Now I am showing you the pallu. This is the aanchal or the pallu. This is the blouse. This has been done by Katha stitch. And all over the saree you will get this design. All over your saree you will get this design. See the combination, how pretty it is. Very nice color combination. And the price is 8500. Material is pure Ghicha tassar and the price is 8500. The second saree is a pure Bangalore silk. This is a hand Katha stitch, hand batik, and after hand batik we have done Katha in the all over the temple of the saree. Material is pure Bangalore silk. This is the blouse. I am showing you the blouse. This is the blouse, and all over your saree you will get this temple. This batik has been done by Katha. See the color, it's a golden color, very nice color combination. The price is 7500. The price is 7500. The blouse color is black. Hand batik Katha stitch. Wow, see the color, very uncommon, very unique color. This is the Vishnupuri Katan 3-ply slave silk and the work is a reverse technique. See the color combination, very nice. Even the saree color and also the thread color we have used to decorate the paisley. Very nice color. There is no red in the saree, we have used pink. So those who avoid red can easily wear this saree. It's a beautiful design. I have to show the saree to show you the beauty of the saree. This is the first fold. See how pretty it is. And the color of the silk, it's difficult for me to explain. It's a steel blue. I can say it's a steel blue. And see the border, very nice combination and the design. And in the yoke portion you will get this slipping paisley, and in the lower yoke you will get standing paisley. Very nice color, and the price is 8,000. Price is 8,000. Oh, this is the blouse. Very interesting blouse design. Another Bangalore silk, pure Bangalore silk. Another pure Bangalore silk. Wow, it's a smart design. I'm showing you the design. It has a big paisley in the pallu. Very artistic design. And all over the saree you will get this design. See the border, it is a very nice temple border. And I am showing you the blouse also running with the border. So this is the overall look of the saree. Yes, check the stitching quality, it's It has a very intricate, and see the paisley design. Very nice paisley design. And the price is, the price is 6500. The price is 6500. This saree cost is 8,000. The material is pure Gachi Tasar. The material is pure Gachi Tasar. And the beautiful white thread work, very demanding color combination. Check the color of the Tasar, the natural color, not dyed, the natural color. The premium quality Gachi Tasar we have used. So this color came actually. This is the first fold of the saree, and this is the second fold. This is the second fold of the saree. So in the pleat portion you will get this design. In the pleat portion you will get this design. The 18-inch border, and in the blouse you will get this border. Very nice color combination and very popular. I am showing you the all over work of the saree. It has a full coverage saree. Price is 8,000. Material is pure Gachi Tasar. Now another very smart and very contemporary design. Very smart and very contemporary design. Material is pure Bangalore silk. Wow, very smart design. Black. The material is black. Material color is black. And the thread color we have used, it's a rust and a off-white and a Tasar. And the price is 7500. I am showing you the drape. Very nice and very smart design. It has a vertical stripes, so you will look taller. You will look more taller than you are because of the design. Very nice color combination also. It has a rust, off-white and a Tasar color thread. Price is 7500. All are silk mark certification. Now another pure Gachi Tasar. Again white thread, but the design is, it's a reverse design. See the work portion, it's a all over. Very nice color combination. This is the best combination, I think. It came out very nice, very sober. See the work portion, all over you will get this design. And the price is 8,000. Price is 8,000. Very nice color and combination. And in the pleats you will get this 18-inch border. Another batik on pure Bangalore silk. Batik is a hand technique. We have done hand batik on the pure Bangalore silk. See the color combination. It's an orange, it's a rustish orange and a ochre yellow. Price is 7500 and material is pure Bangalore silk. We have done hand batik, then we have done kantha on it. So it's a two-hand technique we have used on the pure Bangalore silk. See, the price is 7500 and I'm showing you the blouse. It has a black color blouse with the same border. Now another very smart and very unique design on the pure Gachi Tasar, Ghicha Tasar. Very nice color combination also. Check the design. This is the pallu design. Wow, it is a very nice color. And you have to check the pallu design. It has a fish bone and a kantha, and in the aanchal, these all are running aanchal, and this is the body portion. Very nice golden color. This is dyed and then we have done kantha, and check the border. It has all over running kantha stitch. Very smart piece. Very smart piece it is. Material is ghicha tasar. These all are very traditional design with a very smart color combination. Now another purple color combination with the very unique design and very popular design from Nakshi Kantha. Check. It's a purple. It's a dark purple, and the thread color we have used is a Muga color. Very nice design. And I'm showing you the second fold. This is the second fold. All over this saree you will get temple design on both sides, in the lower portion and even in the upper yoke. I'm showing you the open picture. See the work. Wow. It's a very nice color even. Price is 7500. Material is pure Bangalore silk and silk mark you will get. All over the saree you will get this design. Price is 7500. Now another designer concept on pure Gachi Tasar. See the color. We have done hand painting with the abstract design, and all over the saree we have done kantha and also shojni kantha with the chiffon thread and a cotton thread. Yes, it's a very art piece. It's a unique art piece. I'm showing you the open picture. See, very nice, very artistic. It's look like an art piece. It's look like an abstract art piece. The color is a royal blue, but it's a tasar, so color is not bright. It's a very matte finish royal blue, and the blouse is very simple, very smart. Okay, so all over the saree you will get this design. The border width is like 20 inch, the lower border, and upper yoke you will get this wavy border. Price is 8000. Now another batik. The color is very unique, very pretty. It's a turquoise blue. Very nice color. It's a turquoise blue. Very unique, I think, in batik. The design is a bell patta design. Color is very nice. It's like a cobalt blue or turquoise blue. This is the blouse. See the blouse color. Very nice color combination. Material is pure Bangalore silk, and we have done hand kantha, hand batik, and upon the batik we have done kantha. And this is the blouse. Price is 7500. The last piece from today's video, and it's an exclusive one. We keep best for the last. See, it's an exclusive one. All over the saree we have done this full coverage, all over kantha stitch embroidery, and you have to see the pallu design. It's a very smart pallu and a border. It's a stripe design. See, this is the achal design. It's a stripe, very smart. So with the floral design, with this stripe design, it has been a good combination of a smartness. All over the saree you will get this much heavy work. It's a very smart piece, very smart and even gorgeous. See, and this is the achal, and the blouse are the same. I'm showing you the achal also, blouse also. This is the blouse, and this is the achal, and the price is 8800. Price is 8800. So divas, that's all for today's video. If you want to book any sarees from today's video, please do WhatsApp on our given number. We'll definitely get back to you with all your inquiries, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.